Hello YouTube, Mazaka here. Today I'm doing an unboxing of the Silverline 350W Jigsaw. Comes with a 3-year guarantee, and on the reverse here we've got a power lock on button, we've got dust extraction port and pivoting base, and it's basically got a 45-degree left to right articulation. Okay. Inside, let me just open this up. This comes with a British power plug. Alright, it's kind of oily for some reason. Okay, so you get the power saw itself, or the jigsaw, and with it comes the instruction manual. Okay, some Allen keys, some springs and magnets, a blade, and yeah. So let me just unbox this. Now you might want to be careful when you're opening the packet, because it has got some sharp edges, even though there are no blades pre-installed still. You know, be careful. Alright. Yeah guys, comment, rate, subscribe. This was Mazaka here doing a quick unboxing of the Silverline 350W Jigsaw. Hope you enjoyed the video, and yeah, subscribe button's up there, comment down below, leave a like. Cheers.